if you run into trouble. I'm trying to keep the focus here. Hello, fellow island riders. Welcome to another evening adventure. Tonight, instead of Josh tonight, we got Brandon with us. The legendary DR650 is back from its long hiatus over the spring, and we are ready to get back and do some trail tracking. Today, we are up in the Avondale area, and it's an area that we've been to a couple times, but we haven't really explored this southern region of it. But the idea today, again, we're going to track a few trails, is we're going to live along the 48 road. Again, I noticed some suspicious activity on the maps, and I think it might pay off and it might just be a bust. But if you look here, I don't know if you can see it very well, but there is a run that runs right into this like pond area, and just beyond up here we have some other cool looking tracks that I don't know, it's hard to say. The only way we're going to be able to figure it out is if we just kind of track along, and of course it's not something you want to do on your own. So we have Brandon along. So but I think what we're going to do is we'll just cross over Avondale Road again and keep our eyes peeled. It's going to be like a left side run, pretty much like an established driveway to the left, I think.
By now you can probably tell that I have a few audio issues going on with my helmet. Luckily everything was okay with Brandon's rig, but mine, it just for whatever reason wouldn't catch the mic inside the helmet, so my voice audio is not that great. For this episode at least. We've got it all fixed up anyway now. But this was still a really good run. The idea, like I mentioned, was to just do some trail tracking, the kind of classic riding me and Brandon like to do, but also capture some of this great evening weather that we've been having lately.
Yeah, I'd say part of this is probably access roads.
Yeah, field access for sure, right? Yeah. So that's field access to the left. Straight down is what I'm interested in.
Sick.
You want to push? You want to?
Yeah, so far we're good.
It's going down on the grade. So we'll know when we're not good, I think.
Pretty neat.
So today's exercise is part of a larger project out here in Fort Augustus, and that is to tie together this with the Dromore Run. And I know there's another route down here to be unlocked. There's a second spot that we're going to go check out. I mean, you know what, if we end up getting stuck, we'll just head up to Dromore. Right on right side with mud, center line.
Sweet. Yeah, I figured it'd be swampier, but I guess we've had a few dry days, so this week's good. I think next week's supposed to be pretty wet though. Yeah, I could be wrong.
If we had 2 weeks of this, the ATV trails would open.
Oh, probably, for sure.
There's a lot more road here than I thought there was. I thought this would have ended by now.
Yeah, this is like, it's a lot more and it's a lot like cleared out than I thought it would be.
Oh yeah.
What number?
Oh, listen to those spring peepers. Oh, this is a dead end.
Yeah, it's pretty much just this random ass field to the right.
Yeah, it's all just swampland through here, I guess. I thought there'd be something cooler.
It looked like it was gonna be, but...
Oh, here it is. Here it is here. Oh, yeah, look at that. I wouldn't call this an awesome campsite due to the amount of bugs that would just eat you alive, but still pretty.
Very pretty. In the fall, maybe.
Yeah, exactly right. All right, well, this is a bust. Let's work our way back out and we'll hit the next spot. I think the
Sounds
next
good.
spot is mucho more good.
All right.
This is a good warm-up.
So after finding this potentially good fishing spot, which I may or may not check out a little bit later with the fly rod, we backed our way out of this area and moved on to another section. We had our eyes on something new that was on the map that we thought was going to pan out into a larger trail, but it ended up being a barricaded area, so we didn't push past that at all.
Is that a barricade, you think?
It might be. We can go up and see.
Let's take a little peek.
I imagine it's probably a barricade, but
Yeah, it is. All right. This is a bust. Man, we're getting skunked one right after the other.
We backed out a little bit further and headed up a bit more north towards something else that looked like it had a lot of potential. And that something else was the Auburn demo woodlot.
yeah, this is the one I was mentioning before. Yeah, some of this, if I remember correctly, is gonna be a little sketchy.
Oh, really? Okay.
But I could be remembering wrong. I think it's mostly just the incline or decline, I should say. Now you can do like a big loop around, but I don't know if there's a if it like connects to anything.
Mud. Left looks like clear of the mud. I'm gonna go for it. Wow, they're cutting through this pretty good, eh?
Yeah, last time I was here, it didn't look like they were really doing much, so they may have just taken a year off from it.
Well,
And
there's a demo woodlot. You want to show how good it's cut? You got tree right side. Center line's good. Lots of mud to the right by the looks of it. Let's see how long I can stay up in the middle. Oh, that looks like so long. Holy smoke. Are you okay? Okay,
Yeah,
I didn't
I'm
see it in the
good.
mirror. Oh yeah, it's a good slimy down there.
There was a spot to our right there, eh?
Yeah, I saw it. Oh my. A little bit of slime here.
Yeah. Interesting.
Yeah, no way. No problem, Bob. You want to take a lead for a bit?
No, I'm good. I'm still shaking off all the cobwebs.
Oh yeah, it's the bad like beneath the grass slime.
Yeah.
This is a cool spot though. I'm not getting a lot of bug action. This could also be like pretty decent campsite material. Once you get far enough in, right?
Yeah, probably, honestly.
Where the hell are we now? This is crazy.
Yeah, man.
Let's do a little drone recce here and see where this all goes. Because if this goes where I think it goes, I'm just gonna get super lost. And it'll be in the middle of the night. All right, let's have a look. So straight ahead is what I'm interested right off the hop. That looks like a down tree, but it's not. It dead ends. Okay. I think he said that already.
Honestly, I wasn't paying attention when I was down here, but yeah, I think the front dead ends. The right I don't know about. The left is a loop around.
Let's check right. Looks like a straight shot. And it looks like a loop around too. I just don't know where it loop arounds. I think right's worth looking at.
I'm down.
Cool. Oh yeah, it snakes all over the place. Yeah.
Oh yeah, that looks interesting.
Cool. All right. Oh my god, I don't know if you guys can see the bugs, but jeez, look at them. Like, this is ridiculous. They're just loving it. Anyway, drone says right looks cool. Let's check that out. And then we'll just meander around through here, I think. Big turn here, kind of weird. Down tree left side, right line.
See.
Stick to the center if you can. That's hard to pull off, but there's some swamp there and trees and shit.
Oh, what the fuck is this?
I know, right? This is like a skills builder in here, man. Like, if you wanted to just get out for a ride and maybe like set up a quick day camp and just have a coffee, this would be a good one to do it. That's where we came from, right?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. But I think this literally just did a loop around. And so I think if we take a right, we'll end up in that same clearing.
All right, why don't you take the lead for a bit?
Which way do you want to go?
Let's go right, you lead away.
I could also be very wrong on where this is going.
I think you got it. I think I remember this thing.
Alright, this was the clearing.
Let's take up left then.
Sick. Yeah, it comes out closer to the entryway.
I think it's like super strong.
Yeah, like it was pretty wet last time I was down here, so I'm assuming it's gonna be pretty wet today at some point. Like, we may need to turn back, we may not, we'll see.
Want to check that out?
Sure.
Here we go. Classic bushwhack begins now. Ooh, Aussie. They dead ends. Well, maybe. Whoa, shit.
You good?
Yeah, I got a tree stuck in my...
Oh, I see it. Oh, you're good. You're good. She came out. She like popped up with your chain.
Oh shit, is the chain still on?
Yeah, chain
Okay.
looks like it's still good. Oh, she keeps going.
Big tree over the side here. But... yeah, I don't know where the hell this is. I might be biting off a bit more than we can chew here.
Maybe. Maybe. Or we bit off exactly as much as we can chew.
It keeps going.
Oh, really?
Yeah, do you want to keep going?
Now I'm down if you're down.
Let's go. There's two of us.
There's only one way out.
We're still in the going reverse operation stage.
Exactly. Like, if we go straight back, we can get out the way we came. Oh, this is interesting.
Oh, we're on the other side of the field. Ah, yes. This is reminding me of that airfield. Let me know if you run into trouble.
So far, so good.
I'm gonna keep moseying.
Alright. Yeah, this is a weird place, so don't stop until you get out. If I'm not there in 5 minutes, maybe worry.
The bike's just boiling. It's hating this. Come on, Foxy. You're used to this. You know what you signed up for this season. More bushwhack. Yeah, it's a little swampy. Left side looks good. Left side high. Mighty go. Oh, look at this. They built that friggin'
Oh, that's so nice of them.
super brand new.
Like brand new.
Watch this. Oh,
Nice.
whoa, baby.
You good?
It really wanted it.
It really did want it. Jesus.
I would not be as ambitious as me going through there.
You're not gonna be. The nice thing about ruts is they're reliable.
That was, I didn't expect that moss to the right. Swamp here too. Whoa, oh man, it's all just swamp here. This is it, we found it. We found the swamp.
Yeah, good to know it wasn't fucking crazy though. Like, positives, you know?
Let me know if you run into trouble. I'm trying to keep the focus here. Almost got me. Water to the right, stay left.
God damn it. Oh yeah. My boots got wet. And I still haven't got waterproof boots.
Oh, smoke.
Yeah, so if we take a right, that should be out onto the road.
Holy Moses. Well, I think we found our new route unlocked today. Jeez. There we go, bud. Alright, take us out, my dude.
Sweet.
Auburn Demo Woodlock. New route unlocked. Man. That's a wicked run.
Yeah.
I'm sorry we didn't come here sooner when you spotted. Holy smokes, they're cutting her out pretty good. Man, that was awesome. That was great. Another awesome after work ride. Very cool. Here's to the first adventure of the season.
Yeah.
So I think what I'm gonna do is we're gonna goof around a little bit more, probably head back to town. Who knows where we'll go? But if you're going somewhere cool, please ride safe, Island Riders. I hope you enjoyed the ride today. I hope you're coming back for our next adventure that we take on. Because until the next time we ride on these cool little trails, until the next time we unlock a really new, awesome route, ride safe. And yeah, take care, Island Riders.